Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be covering some YouTube tip, one tip in particular for budding YouTubers. So sometimes you will see that there is a discrepancy in the number of views that is showing in the YouTube Studio Analytics and the views that are actually showing in your YouTube video when you open it. So keep watching this video if you want to know how to fix it. For a budding YouTuber, every view counts. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you find it helpful. Let me show you what the issue with the view updation is. So I will click on my picture and go into the YouTube Studio. I'll go into videos where I can see the list of my videos and the number of views. So here for these two videos, I can see that the views updated real time is 14 and 21. YouTube Analytics always shows the real time updated views. Now let me go into Safari and show you what the views look like. So here it is showing 20 views and 13 views for the two videos, but I have one extra view in both of them as per my YouTube Analytics. So now I will show you how you can update the correct number of views that is actually there in the YouTube Analytics into your YouTube video. So I will go into this visibility section, click on the drop down, select private, save the changes. And then I will again do the same thing, select public and publish the video. This is a simple refresh that again re-uploads the video and makes it public. So it will also update the number of views which are there on your video. Let me go back to Safari and refresh the screen. Open this video here. And you will see that 14 views are updated here. That is a very simple way of updating the views and making sure that the views in YouTube Analytics is updating into your actual YouTube video when someone searches for it. I hope this video was helpful. If you are going to try out this tip, please don't forget to add a comment to this video and tell me how it goes.